In the yard of a ruined house, a brave mother gave birth under an old carriage, with nothing but dry corn husks for shelter. We found her there, exhausted but fiercely protecting her 8 newborns. Thanks to your support, this little family is now safe with our ROLDA Rescue Hero in Târgu Frumos. The puppies have grown into healthy, playful souls, ready to find their forever homes. Whenever we can, we rescue moms with their puppies. We believe no mother should be left behind, unprotected and unsterilized. In the meantime, she was also sterilized. Ready to adopt or help? Share their story and help us find them loving homes or sponsor their care.